Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, it's great to have you. So today we're going to be doing another giveaway. I'm so excited, along with a Walmart haul. So this is going to be jam-packed full of fun and excitement, and don't forget to watch this video all the way through so you get all the information for the giveaway. Okay, so if you guys are interested in my nails, I'll have that video coming up very shortly, so keep your eye out for that video, and let's just get started. So for our first few items, they're not really nail related, but they kind of are because they're going into my office or / nail room where I'm actually redoing that at the moment. So I just picked up these two little pump jars. They're soap pump jars for like the bathroom or something, but I'm going to be using them for hand sanitizer and also for some lotion. And I also got like a toothbrush holder, but I'm not going to be using that for toothbrushes. I'm going to be using it to hold these makeup brushes here, which I'm also not going to be using for makeup, but I'm going to be definitely using them for some dust, brushing some dust off, maybe some glitter, we'll see. I also this is kind of unconventional, but I picked up some duo eyelash glue because I love doing my eyelashes, and I ended up grabbing those as well, so I just thought I'd just throw them into the haul just in case you guys like eyelashes just like me. And then because I was already talking about the eyelash glue, I was like, why not show you guys the lashes that I use? And these are the lashes that I use right here. So they come with like a little pair of tweezers. They also come with an eyelash spoolie so you can like brush your lashes out. It came with like a little hairpin, which is so cute. And then it also came with the lashes. So I got two different styles. I got these first ones, which I believe are 016, and then these ones as well, which are 014, and the 14s are my very favorite. They're so beautiful, and I'll leave the link to these down in the description box if you want to grab them. Okay, so for my next item, I grabbed, again, another non-conventional item, but this is so helpful for me in my organization system. I know you can get like specific organizers, but I use these boxes just to organize my gel polishes. And then we're just going to move straight into gel polishes while we're on the topic. And these are the Sally Hansen gel polish. So they come in a 3-step system, which is step 1 is the base coat. Then you have step 2, which is these gel polishes. So the first one that I showed you guys was just pat on the black, followed by polished purple, then followed by wine knot. Now we have rosy cheeks. This one is followed by pink pong, and then last we have just peachy. And then for the step 3, it's just going to be your top coat, and that finishes it off. Moving on, I went ahead and got some Cuticle Scissors, and then I also got some Cuticle Nippers. So I really like this brand. It's really good, and they come really sharp. So I love that. Like, it's really easy to use. I also got a nail brush so I can clean my nails. And then I also went ahead and picked up some nail art brushes, and this is from China Glaze. So I don't really recommend this brush, but I use it, so it's up to you if you wanted to grab one of those. And then I also got some of these with the ball point at the end, and then after it's just like a nail art brush at the top. So another unconventional item that I got from my nail room, but very necessary, is just these command hooks, and they're in gold. I love that, so beautiful. I'm going to use those for my swatch sticks. Then I picked up this Kiss nail dip kit. I've never tried dip systems, so I'm really curious as to how that's going to work. So I really want to give some dip nails a try, and that's why I picked up this kit. Just something quick and easy. It came with a bunch of stuff, which I really like, and it came with some extra brushes too. Okay, and then following that, I just went ahead and picked up some Kiss brush on glue, because why not just have some more nail glue into the fold. And then I also got this one. I really like this one a lot, so that's why I picked it up. then I went ahead and got the Kiss Acrylic Kit. As you guys know that's been watching me for a while now, I use these quite a lot in some of my videos because this is what I started out using acrylic with, and I highly recommend it if you're a beginner. Okay, so then the next thing that I got was this Sensational Gel Light, and this is very good for beginners as well, especially if you just like doing gel manicures, not necessarily a full gel nail, or if you're doing like a dip system and you want to paint your gel over top. So I already had one, so I'm just going to show you the one that I have that's already open. And this is mine. So it comes with a USB plug, and you can just go ahead and plug that in, and it's a very small compact light, so you can travel with that. It's really good. So if you haven't guessed it already, I am definitely going to be giving away this gel lamp for the giveaway today, along with these gel polishes. So the first one is called All Day I Rise, followed by Cafe a Latte, a Latte, a Latte. Super cute names, and they're beautiful colors, very neutral, and they'll go with any type or any skin tone. And then followed by these sorry, just dropped everything, but followed by these striping tapes, and they just come in a silver, gold, blue, fuchsia pink, purple, fuchsia pink, white, red, green, and then another fuchsia pink color. And then I also am going to be throwing in one of those angled brushes with the tool. And then I went ahead and picked up these Revlon Cuticle Nippers, and these are my favorite ones. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw in one of these as well. And then I also went ahead and grabbed some regular nail clips. These are a very essential item, and I absolutely love those. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw those in as well. And I'm also going to throw in a nail glue. So for the rules of this giveaway, all I'm going to ask for you guys to do is go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you're not already. Go ahead and hit a like on this video and leave a comment in the comment section letting me know when you subscribe to my channel. If you are an old one or a new one, either way works. You're both welcome. And I almost forgot to mention, this giveaway is for Canada wide only, but anywhere in Canada. Okay, so the next item that I picked up is just this acetone. It's 100% pure acetone. Then I also picked up some nail file because they're really cute, and then I got some more cuticle clippers, but these ones I specifically love to use them just to cut off crystals off of my nails. They're not as sharp, and they're really easy to get right up to the crystal. And last, I got these nail studs, and they're really cute. I love them so much. And that's everything, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Love you all so much. Be blessed. Bye now.